Welcome back to another fun-filled episode of Coastal Boating. We're still down here soaking up the sun in Florida, but today's a pretty windy day. Only the most daring captains are venturing out of the inlet, and let's not forget those taking a peek and making a hasty U-turn. Kicking things off here, we have a 30-foot concept making its way out of the inlet. Not sure if the captain has a destination in mind or just enjoys the inlet roller coaster ride. Wow, they're being tossed around. I don't know that I'd want to make my way out there on a day like today. If you're up to it, why not? Check out Wavy Boat's cameraman. Look at his shirt and how it's flapping in the wind. They certainly get the best shots out there, but we don't mind being tucked back a little bit away from the wind. Well, that was a brief adventure. Captain made the right decision and headed back in. And next up, we have an MTI V42 center console with quad Mercury 400Rs. This MTI boasts a twin keel design, which provides great stability in rough conditions like these. Here comes the Boston Whaler 380 Realm, conquering the waves as it returns from the south. At 38 feet and a hefty 23,000 pounds, this vessel can handle these waters no problem. This captain probably knew what he was getting himself into when he left the dock, so he even set up the side isinglass windows to stay dry. Up next, we have a couple coming out in their custom craft. This video really caught our Facebook followers' attention because we accidentally said that their cousin was falling out of the back of the boat instead of a cushion. I'm not sure how that caught the Facebook algorithm, but it certainly did with 1.6 billion views. As you can see, the couple has now made it out to the ocean. And this isn't really the type of boat that you want to be going out in the ocean if there's any type of waves. That thing really belongs in lakes, flat water, not where they are. They make the wise decision to come back in, but hey, the story isn't over yet. Here we go again. We have a center console leaving the inlet with our Cushing crusading couple behind them. If you look closely in front of that center console, you'll see the cushion floating there, but our couple does not see that cushion. Once again, they're heading out to the ocean. They're going straight out. You really don't want to do that here. You want to go off to the right like you saw that other bigger center console doing. The roughest water is going to be straight out. I think our couple has now finally figured out that their cushion is missing. They have no idea where it went, so they're going to spend the next couple minutes looking for it. They finally find it. Look here on the left, you can see it floating right on the rocks. They're definitely not going to make it over there to rescue that cushion. Unless they had some type of pole or something, I don't know. They're just not going to make it. You can't swim there. You wouldn't even want to attempt this on a calm day, let alone a day like today. All right, now he's going to make a U-turn. He's going to try and put his wife or girlfriend or whatever she is on the left-hand side here to see if she can pick it up. But really, they're not going to be able to get close enough. There's rocks right under that water. If they try to get over there, they're going to end up on the rock. They see it. They just know they can't get it. The only thing you could potentially do is ask those people on the jetty if they could get it once it goes over to the beach side. But even then, that's a long shot. Oh man, they just took a lot of water over the bow. I'm not sure if this boat came from the factory with a windshield on the port side, but it doesn't have one. So either they knocked it out before or... yeah, she's absolutely soaked, but she still has a smile on her face, so that's a good sign. Here they come again for one more approach, coming over to the rocks. I don't think they're going to be able to get it here, but let's see. Now we have an azimuth verve coming in. They're really in a bad spot right now, being on right by the rocks like that with a bigger boat coming in. The wake off that other boat could push them right over into those rocks. So now they're going to make a U-turn. Of course, they're making that U-turn right in front of that boat. And with that, our Cushing crusading couple heads out, and so do we. Thanks for tuning in to this episode of Coastal Boating. Don't forget to subscribe and follow for more entertaining boating content.